man on strike. Full toss and mid-wicket will just watch it sail over into the stands. What a hitter Justin Kemp is turning out to be.
You're playing with fire by bowling that kind of ball to past his 50. Wow, what a hit. Terrific to watch, Kemp.
He's bowled in this time, looking to repeat that shot over mid-wicket. A little triumphant signal from Tendulkar.
You hardly see Sachin Tendulkar getting passionate about the job that he's doing. But those gestures clearly demonstrating a different Sachin Tendulkar. After being hit for a six, this was his reply. But he's done his job remarkably well, Justin Kemp. Brilliant 61. South Africa 144 for 6.
Straight down the ground. And it's brilliant attempt to save it. He's done particularly well, saving a couple of runs for his side.
He may have dropped a catch. Gautam Gambhir was lightning ground to save this boundary. Crafty shot from Mark Boucher, hitting the ball straight, and look at this great effort. Dinesh Karthik tidying up the effort. What commitment from a young cricketer. That is what you want.
And straight down the ground, Gambhir will pick it up on the bounce. Just a single. 9 runs. Like 10 runs have come from this over so far with 1 delivery remaining.
Slow delivery from Sachin. Once again, Boucher doing the right thing by trying to hit the ball as straight as possible. Got 2 gazelles at long on and long off India. Karthik and Gautam Gambhir has been very impressive.
The last ball coming up. Green and in the deep on the leg side. Dinesh Karthik it will be. Takes it quite comfortably in the end. 2 wickets for Tendulkar end of the innings. And Ruhal, the last man dismissed, was looking to clear the fence at long on. Had to play the shot and he's got to go.
India with a clear-cut restricted to 148 for 7. Even though the charge came, but India had it covered. Dinesh Karthik had it covered, definitely. Confidently taken by him at long off. In fact, at long on, so have displayed once again the quality to limit the South Africans after winning the toss. Andrew Hall was the last man to be dismissed for 1. Not Karthik bowled